Friends, today Solitaire completes 4 years. Personally, it's been a great experience not only curating Solitaire, but growing it, having all of you come on board and creating investor experience. When we got the PMS license, I was wondering what should be the first product that we launch. I wanted the product to have a certain profile and a risk character which suits more people. I wanted the product to reflect the personality of the investor, something he would be able to comfortably own, something which he would be keen to scale up, an investment vehicle in which he participates more and travels a much longer distance, achieving milestone after milestone. This was my mandate in creating the product. And importantly, I wanted to keep the risks lower. The moment I said that I'm going to keep the risks lower, a lot of people came and debated with me, saying that it will affect returns. But I had quietly experimented in one portfolio for 10 years, real time, investing, buying, owning, selling very rarely and scaling up. In that portfolio, I observed that the investor achieved superior returns by taking lesser risks. The investment process was the strength of that portfolio. After getting the PMS license, I decided that that portfolio's philosophy, its construction and process would become the first product. And that is how Solitaire was born. It is that portfolio which I did real time for 10 years which became Solitaire. I was very confident that this product would give very good ownership experience to a whole lot of people. I kept telling that. In fact, when people asked how the returns would be, I would always emphasize that the ownership experience would be superior. It would be something people would really be comfortable with. Something that gives them the confidence to do more in their investing. And something that gives them a sense of gratification that they chose right. Today, 4 years later, if you ask me what is the one thing that I really value about my experience in this journey, it is the fact that we have delivered on this expectation. I'm not so much going to talk about the returns of Solitaire, which are before you in this slide. The returns are there for all to see. But what is unseen is this ownership experience. It's how we manage the process. It's how we encouraged, nudged investors to participate more in every new idea. It's how we never sold a share simply to buy another share. It's how we are trying to get the most out of every idea. It's how we're taking lesser risks and in the process showing you that you can actually earn more than even an aggressive benchmark. Importantly, Solitaire is a lower risk strategy which has a very aggressive benchmark. So beating that benchmark is extremely difficult. Why do I say this? Because the benchmark has a very high financial impact and we don't invest in businesses with borrowings and leverage. So we don't invest in banks or NBFCs. Effectively, we are raising this benchmark by investing away from it, taking lesser risk, and in the process, we have come a long way in establishing this strategy. We have proved that this strategy is actually not just suitable to all our investors. It would suit a lot of people who aspire to be equity investors but are a little hesitant because of risks. It would suit a lot of people who like to make good returns but don't like to take too much risk. All this has happened in these 4 years, establishing Solitaire as a go-to product for those who want to have a better equity ownership experience. Delivering experience in the financial world is not even spoken. What is most spoken is delivering returns. But in my opinion, if you deliver the right experience, returns will follow. Why do I say this? If the experience is good, the investor will incrementally invest money when the manager wants him to. The investor and the manager will be on the same page in seeking opportunity. It would be a very syncretic and a wonderful partnership where the investor gives money when the manager approaches him, and the manager responsibly deploys that money and ideas at the right valuation. Both understand that they are working together to produce results, to create a great portfolio and to deliver the desired outcome. When you are able to forge this kind of an understanding, meeting the return expectations usually happens. And that is what Solitaire has clearly demonstrated during its 4-year journey. I am confident that going forward, we would continue to work towards not just establishing that experience for newer people, maintaining and growing that experience for our existing investors. Importantly, Solitaire has proved that teamwork is a critical driver in a PMS. Why do I say this? Many of you see me as the face of Solitaire, but my team has been working tremendously on the investment process. In creating an investment process that has the investor's interest at the core, every little decision is taken meticulously. Every incremental rupee is deployed very carefully, correctly. And that is why we have been able to deliver what we have done. The process leverages fully on the research. The research clearly knows what it is working towards. It knows what the product needs. Investment ideation at the level of the analyst happens keeping the product in mind. I am working for this product. This product needs this kind of an investment idea. So this stock will fit this product. That's the kind of an orientation and alignment which we have managed to create in our team. And it is that alignment which is giving us ideas continuously. Many of you who have been there on this 4-year journey have at times expressed to me that you are coming so often asking us money to put in new ideas. That is because our research is supplying us with such ideas. It's working over time to create better opportunities for the product. All this has demonstrated that teamwork can really create a great product. Teams can not only create winning products, but take winning products to the next level. Today, Solitaire is at a place where it can very well go to the next level over the next 4 years. We want you to be a part of this journey, and we really value your support to us during these first 4 years. But for you, we could have never done what we have managed to. Importantly, we would like to take our experiences forward in a positive way, in a productive fashion, to improve your investing, to make you participate in every idea adequately, to make you take advantage of the volatility of the market in your portfolio, and to benefit from the market's movements. We want you to be more active investing in your Solitaire portfolio in the coming years. If the market's correct, we would like you to be participating more than you normally would. We would be coming to you, asking you to invest in new ideas, to scale up existing ideas and show more conviction in the Solitaire philosophy. The Solitaire way is more than just about a product. It's about an investment philosophy, a way of investing. And we are very glad that you have supported us in this journey to show you what this can do for you. But for you, it would have never been possible. And I'm extremely grateful to every one of you. Before I close, I want to tell you one thing. Even now, I am the largest investor in Solitaire, and I intend to keep scaling up my own portfolio in Solitaire. So in this journey, it's not only you who are with Solitaire. I am also a part of the Solitaire journey as an investor, and I am happy that we are all in this together. Thank you.